I just wanted to record this video today to say nothing else but that God is proud of you. In our Christian walk, I know we're always thinking of what we can do, how we can improve, even just in our relationship with Christ and the areas that we're falling short. And sometimes we don't take the moment to sit down and really see where we have come from, what we have gone through, the battles that we won, and not through our strength, but through the strength of Christ in us. And sometimes we continue being on this like chase for the next thing, the next thing, the next thing, whether that's in employment, whether that's in school, the next accolade, or even like getting married, starting a family. We always have these desires, and we tend to be in this place where we're just running and running and running. But we don't take the time to really see just how far we've actually come from. Yeah, there's places that maybe you fell short, but there's a lot of places that you also didn't. There's a lot of places that you also trusted. There's a lot of places that you also held on. There's a lot of places that you also walked in faith. You were tested and you were approved. So I just wanted to make this video just to take like 1 minute breather. I know we're still pushing, we're still going, we're still learning, we're still growing, we're still doing all of that. So I just wanted to make this video just like a 5-second pause. Whatever you're doing, whatever you're rooting for, planning, walking towards, hoping for, etc. Sometimes it's like we live our Christian walk just hoping, walking, trying. But take this moment to just say, okay, I've actually done something. I've actually gotten somewhere, even in God. And know that God is also proud of you for what you have done. And I say this, and I say this very carefully. It's not what you did, it's what God did through you. You did stay in that place of obedience. You did stay in that place of trust. You did jump when you were fearful but decided to walk in faith. You did that. So take that moment to just like sit in that, sit in the strength that God exhibited, so that as you're continuing in your journey, you'll know that God is going to continue to give you more and more victories. That's where the strength for the future comes from, when you're able to look at the past and see. So I just wanted to encourage you with this message today. It's quite a short video, honestly. It's just here to encourage somebody. Maybe somebody just needed that, just that word in itself, and that was enough for you. And if it was, if you were blessed by this message, please make sure to like and comment. If it truly touched you, I want to know. And if you have not subscribed to the family, I don't know what you're doing, please hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every single day besides Sunday, so you can always come for a fresh new word. I love you, but God loves you even more, and you are highly, highly, highly blessed. Stay blessed.